Hey, my name's Trey Jones, and this is my bike.
Look out! Here comes trouble!
So, most important part, LaShawn Cobes' signature Shadow Conspiracy Chula grips. I'm running my signature Cold Crew Stone Cold 2015 signature frame. This is a limited edition chrome one. I'm not sure if we're gonna make these, but they look super sick. These are my signature Stone Cold bars. They're 875. Top load, Shadow Ravager stem. Shadow Inceptive forks, Raptor hubs front and back, Corvus rims front and back, Shadow Valor tires, 2.4. My signature Shadow Gator Country alligator skin seat. It's real alligator skin. Killed each alligator myself and hand wrapped these. It's a new trend, but it's the new 32 tooth sprocket. A lot of kids are running them these days, you know, for crank flips and whatnot. It's more momentum to get it around. Shadow Conspiracy Supreme chain. These are super rare Shadow Conspiracy metal pedals. They're made of metal, not plastic. They make sparks. They hurt more when you hit your shin. They're heavier. All the advantages, right? Metal pedals. My signature Shadow Killer cranks. I couldn't ask for a more perfect crank. And yeah, that's my bike. A super trendy bike, 2016, you know. Trying to keep up with the kids these days, renew my contract for next year, so. Oh, and I don't run any bar ends either. Sometimes you pay the price. Gotta pay a toll if you wanna rock and roll, you know. You can get all of these products through Dan's Comp or your local bike shop, whatever you prefer. Kids will be like, yeah, if I run a 32 tooth sprocket, I can do crank flips a lot faster. Probably sounds stupid enough.